Welcome to Mindfulness Flow, day 302 of the 365 Days Meditation Challenge. Today's practice is called Ease and Flow, a reminder to let life move through you instead of against you. Let's begin by taking a deep breath in and exhale slowly. Let your shoulders drop and let your breath find its natural rhythm. There's nothing to control right now, only flow. Imagine yourself as water, graceful, adaptive, and unstoppable. You don't need to force the current. You are the current. Now, say to yourself, I move with ease. I trust the flow of my life, and peace carries me where I'm meant to be. Notice how each inhale brings softness, and each exhale releases resistance. You are in harmony with the rhythm of life. There is no rush, only flow. When you're ready, gently open your eyes and carry this sense of ease throughout your day. Thank you for joining me on Mindfulness Flow. I'll see you tomorrow for another day of inner peace.